Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working on the E46 here, and that will be the generation 1998 3 Series to 2005. And we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove or replace front window regulator. So stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that. We're demonstrating on Convertible, but the CI Coupe, and I believe the 4-door will be very close procedure as well. So just a quick update, we have more than 200 videos on Bmw E46, so please subscribe, give a like, check out our official Facebook page, Auto Repair Guys, and let's start on it now. So all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video. Now the first step will be to remove a cap right here. There is one cap. So we have to be careful which way we remove that thing. Okay, you can see it just pops open like that. There is one screw. Now underneath that airbag cover there is another bolt that we'll need to be removing. So with a plastic panel removal tool, there is two teeth like this one. You have to push them in and pull it out. Okay, you can see those are the teeth right there, and we removed it because right here inside there is one bolt. So now we'll be using Torx 20, it's coming out of this set, and we're going to remove this screw right there. Okay, perfect. One more under the handle. It goes kind of like in an angle. Okay, you can see how the screwdriver is in an angle. So this one was really tight. You have to use the correct tools, otherwise you can damage those screws and it will be really hard to remove them. Okay, once you get this one loose, I don't know if it's going to pop out of there for sure or not. Okay, let's see with the magnetic screwdriver if we can pull it out, or it's not going to. Okay, we'll get the small pliers. We won't even get the pliers. I think when we pull the panel out it will come out because I couldn't find the pliers. So we'll get a panel removal to a fat one. Okay, and we'll start prying the clips open now. Once we remove the door panel, I'll show you where all the clips are located. And I don't think this panel has ever been removed because it's really tight. Okay, one clip fell off. We'll show you how to install them if they come loose. And now right here, another bolt that we missed. Okay, it's the same one like the one on the other side. It goes in an angle like that. So altogether we have 4 bolts. Okay, now it needs to slide up, I think. We'll check in a second. Also guys, one more hidden bolt. That's a good thing to watch the video before you do it, so you don't break your stuff, and we can break our stuff by showing you where things are. Okay, this one is a little bit hard to see there. Okay, this is the screw, you can see long screw. Now we have to lift up. Okay, it should go up. Okay, like that. You can see those clips need to come loose. Okay, all those clips need to come this way, and then you need to pick it up a little bit. But mostly it slides this way. Okay, let me show you where all the clips are in a second. But before, let's disconnect. Okay, the door handle here and the cables. This is the wire for the speaker there, for the tweeter. This is the speaker wire. Press both things together. Okay, and this one, okay, you just pry this one out and stay with us, we'll show you how to install it later. And now let us show you where all the clips are on the back side. Okay, when we install the panel, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, one's missing there, 9, 10, 11. Plus on top you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. So you can see how many clips. We lost one of them, so we'll grab it and install it quick. Okay, let me pick it up. Okay, it went over here under the car. So replacement clips, guys, you can find online, but most of the times they don't break, they just come off. So I would recommend to disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before you proceed removing the airbag. Because if the battery is connected, there is a higher chance for the airbag going off, and you don't want that to happen. It can kill you. That's why just a fun video, guys. Do not do that. Just informational video here for fun. So we're going to disconnect the battery, and it's important how you do it. We disconnect the negative wire first, okay, and after that we're going to disconnect the positive. Okay, you have to be careful on the positive because it's part of the airbag system as well, so you don't want to damage anything there. Okay, we pull that one out as well. We will let it sit for 1 hour and we can continue with the next step. Okay, it's been 1 hour, so we can continue now, okay, with removing the airbag. 10mm socket, stay out of the way. Okay, 2 bolts that we need to remove. 3 bolts actually, my bad. You have to hold it while removing the last one. Now we need to disconnect the wiring harness. So now it's important to work with plastic tools, never ever use a screwdriver. This cap right here now, gently, okay, we're going to open it. Okay, give me a second here. Okay, and this one is stuck. Don't do what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, get the screwdriver, okay, and I will open that cap. You have to be extremely careful, okay, that thing can explode and kill you anytime. Once you open it, okay, it's going to release the clips and you can remove the airbag. You can see. You can do that on the other side, but you cannot reach, so you can reach only one of them. And the airbag is out of the way now. Very gentle how you store that thing. Next, okay, we need to peel that insulation. You have to be careful not to break it. As you can see, ours already has been removed because it comes out pretty easy. If it hasn't been removed, that thing will not come out easy, I guarantee you that. Okay, you can see there it's stuck, so we probably, you can even get a knife to help yourself. It re-glues later, not as strong as original, but it does pretty good. Now you don't even have to unglue the bottom part, we can just flip it like that, and later we're going to install it easier that way. Now for the window regulator, guys, we'll have to connect our battery so we can bring the window down. The bad thing about that is the airbag will not be connected, so we will have airbag light on that we will have to reset later. You can watch that on the channel. But some people will connect their airbag now, so they don't have to worry about resetting the light, but I wouldn't recommend it because you'll be working there and you don't want that thing to blow in your face. So what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and connect our battery so we can bring the window down. Okay, so we're going to connect our battery. Make sure we have good connection. We'll do the battery, and after that we'll need to turn the ignition on so we can bring the window down, and I'm going to show you how much. So we have the ignition on, and now we'll bring the window down. Okay, maybe a little bit up. Okay, like that. Now you can see this bolt right here and the one on this side. Okay, this one here. We'll turn the ignition off now of the car. The tools that we'll be using, they're called reverse torques. You can find where we got ours in the description of the video below. So we'll need reverse torques 7. Is 7 most likely. Okay, let's double check if this is the one that we need. Okay, and get this one loose now. And the one on this side is reverse threaded. So you go clockwise to get it loose instead of counterclockwise. The one on this side should be normal thread. Go counterclockwise to get it loose, but let's double check that. Or no, or it's the other way. Yep, it's the other way. You have to go clockwise to get it loose. Okay, now we just realize that this bolt will need to come out all the way. Okay, this one will need to come out all the way. The one on the other side does not need to come out. Okay, just get it loose on the other side. It's very important not to get it out, otherwise you have to remove the door trim on the outside to pull the bolt out. Okay, perfect, like that. Now with a plastic panel removal tool, we're going to pull that clip out of here. Okay, this is one tight clip. Now we need to gently start prying this thing up. Now it's very important not to bend it, because if you bend that thing, okay, you're not going to be able to install it later, and the window will be catching on it. Okay, just like that. Now you grab on this side, will be really stuck, but okay, it came out. This side will need to come up. After that, okay, we will need to get our hand in and push on the regulator clip until the window comes out. What I did, I just pushed towards the inside on the inner clip. Careful not to pinch your fingers, and pull the window up. Okay, just like that. So you can see that black thing, okay, right there. This black thing, let me show you where it goes in the window. In order to remove the window, okay, that black thing will need to come out. And this is, okay, let me see where the window is. This is because it goes inside the window, right here on that holder. And if it's in, you will not be able to pull the window out. And you can see it just came out like that. So in order to remove the regulator now, okay, we need to go ahead and remove five nuts. And the first thing that we'll do, we will need to remove the window molder. Okay, and this one will be with Torx 30. So we need to do 3 bolts, 3 screws, get those loose. There is a trick about removing it. Okay, this is the third one, and I'll go ahead and disconnect the wire quick. Or we can do that when we remove it, because I cannot reach with that hand. Now we have to turn it counterclockwise till it comes out of the clips. Pull it out, okay, and disconnect it there. Perfect. Now we have 5 nuts with 10mm socket. So we should have 5 nuts now. Okay. Let's see how we can get this one now. Okay, this is one of them. Second one. Third. Okay, 2 on the bottom. And the 5th one is on the bottom as well. Now let's see how the regulator will come out. Has a few clips. Okay, this ball there probably might be holding a little bit. Okay, this ball we need to get it tight a little bit. The one that we remove the window. So you go counterclockwise. Remember, this is reverse threaded bolt, because otherwise it's hitting the door in the back. Okay, perfect. Everything is super tight fit. Okay, our regulator, the plate fell off of it. Now this one, we will just, yep, it goes right there. Okay, kind of like that right here. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, let's see, this one will be the other way. Okay, like that. Perfect. And now we can just go ahead and pull the other half out. Careful not to damage your door or anything like that, don't pry. Okay, those were 2 clips holding there that we did not disconnect. And this is, guys, the old regulator out of the car. So installation will be in reverse order that we took it apart. Everything else from here is the same, but in reverse order. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give a subscribe and check out our official Facebook page World Mechanics, and subscribe to our official YouTube channel World Mechanics. Thank you for watching, guys.